Alright, standard width, 33 inches. Pantry. The oven has electric stove eyes. The range is in fact electric. God be praised, it's an ice maker. Yes, we're just looking in the fridge. We're just plotting and planning, as it were. Here's the oven. Here's the dishwasher.
Wow, we need dishwasher. I like the table.
It's just like yours with no dishes. Alright. That's all storage. I see Mommy's cake supplies going in there.